everybody, we are making a volcano explosion, and there's my brother. So we just made the volcano.
Okay, so hello everyone. Today we're gonna do our volcano experiment. Let's see. Right there, this is the box that Mama got us. We came up with this volcano mound. Oh, that doesn't go in there, son. Don't break it. So that we had to use this little structure, rubber band all the sides, then pour the putty that we made into the structure, and then we have to let it sit for how many days, Ryan?
2 days.
2 days. And then from there, after letting it sit, we came up with this volcano mound. And now we're ready to see the volcano erupt. So ingredients needed. Ryan, what is this that we need? Do you remember what this is? So yeah, we need white vinegar. About 60 ml of white vinegar. And then a teaspoon of this stuff.
Oh yeah, sodium bicarbonate right there. If you don't have sodium bicarbonate, then you can use baking soda. And if you don't have white vinegar, then you can use lemon juice, lime juice. So I'm gonna pause here for a second.
Okay, so part 2 of this. Yes, we painted the volcano and we added a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate in there. And then now we're gonna slowly pour in the white vinegar, or again you can use lemon juice or lime juice to see how it goes. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what happens. Whoa, you guys see that?
Yeah.
Whoa! What do you see, Ryan? Is that what you wanted to see? Whoa!
Again. Thanks for watching our video.
Son.
You can only work on your phone or a tablet.
Whoa. So, what did you guys observe, or what did you guys learn?
Is it burning hot?
I don't know. I don't want to touch it. Could be like lava. Alright, thank you for watching our experimental video. We'll see you next time.